YouTube, welcome back to another video. Welcome to another Banker Man. As y'all can see by today's title, we have wrapped the SRT, man, all black, and we got the LED headlights with the LED SRT badge as well. Y'all let me know if we should put the logo on the side that say SRT AJ, man. Y'all let me know. We are gonna put our OEM rims, well, those rims, back on the back and take these Chrysler rims off and give them to dog. How you doing, sir?
My underwear backwards too? Oh, God. Damn.
Mine on backwards too.
I ain't getting a wedgie or nothing.
Same shit.
Oh, y'all ready to go?
Hey, we can go down.
You thirsty as hell, ain't you?
Ready to test it?
He ready to test that, bro. We gonna test when it's dark at least.
He overly.
No, it's not.
What, the same time on 3 of them?
Nah,
I don't slide, bro.
no, we probably go separate because his
Separate.
tripping.
Who the f separate? I'm not going.
Yeah, I got faith in myself.
You not going at all?
Why would I slide my car, bro? I'm not a slider. I'm a racer.
One circle, bro.
I'm a racer, bro.
Do one circle, then do
Bro,
the
slide that bitch in a bitch.
You got a tune, don't want to test it, bro.
I'm a racer, bro. YouTube, as y'all can see, man, the SRT is a different color. As y'all seen in the beginning of the video, it was all black, but we did throw the logo on the side. Now, the car is not completely done. We do have to put my original wheels, which will be those, on the rear, and then the front wheels that look just like those on the front as well. But other than that, guys, the car looks amazing, guys. As y'all see, we got carbon fiber splitter right there, 5-inch just by grid ready. Shout out to them boys. White light side markers. The SRT. Now, if y'all know, the last time we had the splatter on the side, it just said SRT. This time it says my whole name. We got the RGB headlights, man. We have to clean our brakes because these are actually orange calibers, which might match that orange. Actually, let's see if we can wipe it and see. It's a bright orange, so it's not bad, it's not off, but we're gonna actually repaint those. So y'all comment below, what color should we paint the calibers? Should we do white? Should we do like another orange? What should we do, man? Should we do black with splatters on them? What should we do, man? As y'all can see, we are gonna paint this piece because when Trey and Dog took my car and painted it, or when they spray painted my car, they got a little bit right there. They also got some on my window sills as well, so we're gonna get all that fixed. But other than that, man, this is the car, y'all. This is the car. I'm gonna show y'all the interior. The interior is not clean, but I'm gonna show y'all the lights we have in the interior as well. As y'all can see, man, we got the interior lights now. I do want to put them in the doors, but I got a YouTube video I want to do taking the doors off before it gets too cold for Halloween. So we're not gonna wire those through the doors yet, but when I do that video, I will probably most likely take the rest of the kit and put them in the doors. Let's see what the stars. Been at the stars here for about some time now. That should say my name. It's a little off. I want to redo the stars, y'all, but this is the interior, guys. So none of the guys have seen it since I put the orange on the car, and I want to get their reactions, man. As y'all know, man, we do have the new drift mode tune for the car. We've been had drift mode. Actually, a lot of people don't know that. I don't know if y'all know that or not, but I've been at the tune for about a year now. I've been running it for about a year, man. It's been reliable, so y'all should get it as well. Gonna pull up on my boy Dog, man. He got a similar wrap to me on his Chrysler 300, but if y'all don't know, he's actually swapping a SRT 300. So we about to go pull up on him, check that build out, and also get his reaction to my wrap since I threw him the logo on it. He seen it yesterday with just the all black, but he has not seen it since I threw my name on it, y'all. So let's get his reaction. right, my boy, how you feeling, man?
I ain't gonna lie, bro. He did just shit.
Ah! As you can see, man, we got the RGB lights. Yeah, we got LED badge. Yeah, we got white lights.
From what? From what? From what?
It doesn't end there. Guess what we
What
got?
else you doing to it?
We got the interior lights.
From what?
Again, you know what I'm saying?
God.
We got the style.
I ain't gonna lie.
We got
it's
the
like
style. Sit in there real quick. Just sit in there real quick. Sit in there real quick. How that make you feel? How that make you feel? How that make you feel?
You're gonna get
No bad.
This is crazy though. It's like Halloween. It's Halloween around the corner too.
Exactly. October.
That's hard, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That's pussy.
So
That's pussy.
the only problem with this, we can't do no bash, in the scat no more.
Yeah, because your name is on it.
My name is on it, so no more takeovers, no more illegal things.
SCATPACK.
I mean, you're a real driver though, bro.
But I'm a real driver. I am a real driver. So
I mean, like, they just got to catch you, bro.
gotta catch me. Gotta
Simple
catch
as
me.
that. I ain't
Hey
gonna-
man, we gotta get the other guys' reaction to this though. Alright, YouTube, as y'all can see, man, I done pulled up on the guys. What you on, family? You good? You good? What you on, family? Got all the guys in me, yeah. What you on, gang? How you feeling? So how we feeling, man? How we feeling about the logo, man? How we feeling, man? We fucking with it? You seen it yesterday. It was all black, you know what I'm saying? Okay, all right. Rated 1 through 10. Look, simple, calm, little winter rap, you know what I'm saying? Type shit, yeah. Hey, we orange on the inside. We got orange stars, you know what I'm saying? We got the RGB lights on the front, you know what I'm saying? Cool, calm, look, you know what I'm saying? Can't do no bad stuff no more, though. I can't run from the police no more because my name is on the side. So unfortunate. Now this just something calm. What we gonna do for the spring? Something crazy. Y'all ain't ready for what I'm gonna do in the spring. What I'm gonna do in the spring gonna be crazy. Man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Definitely got crack in it. I definitely. Definitely got switch on it. Now this, hey, I'm coming for like the SUV now. I'm gonna get my SUV together now. So we're going to have to get some pictures together when I get it together now. Hey, all right now. Baby chicken hawk. You heard it here first. Folks. Baby chicken hawk.
They got this motherfucker together though. This bitch sexy.
The trap set you supposed to have on the back.
Hey, what happened to
Hey, on the next rap, I'm gonna get it on the trunk in 3D, like where you can feel it. Y'all gonna see, watch. It's gonna be little Easter eggs, y'all gonna see. Yeah, man, something calm, still got the little slider rims on, was gonna pop out. Is that drop top? Is that a drop top? Is that a drop top 300 on my tripping? Am I tripping or is it a drop top? Bro, why does it look like a drop top? Am I tweaking? Bro, let me find out they got drop top 300, gang. I might be tweaking. You was outside sliding?
Yeah, I was trying to get out.
Y'all outside tonight?
Yeah, we get out today.
No, you that's one of them ones where you can really put the whole thing in there, you feel me? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm debating if I want to be outside tonight, man.
Y'all just gotta take a good look.
You know what I'm saying? We got no plate on the back. We ride too dangerous. Too dangerous.
Nobody even got this wing.
Hey, man. This a Challenger wing that's custom made for my car, bro. Who y'all know doing that? Yeah, it's a red eye wing. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put hella more stickers on the back window too, man. Y'all gonna see. We getting it together, bro.
My body, my temple.
It's gonna say that. Hey man, I done had to pull up to a takeover just to show my boy the new rap, man. Y'all already know he got 1,000 horsepower, Hellcat, Demon Swap, 300 and stuff. But how we feeling about my new rap, man?
Let's go!
How we feeling about the new rap, man? You know what I'm saying? Some slight, book it right, you know what I'm saying? It's crazy. It's crazy.
SRT AJ. That.
And I'm at a takeover right now.
I like it. We shouldn't be here.
Hey.
But that rap is hard.
I appreciate it, my dog. Appreciate it, my
That
dog.
boy got the color matching lights.
And we got the headlights now. And we got headlights. And we got the exactly.
That boy fishy.
Nice.
That boy
Exactly.
fishy.
Appreciate you, my dog. So now we just gotta get some content together, man. I'm thinking we take the cars to the hood, man. Next video.
Man, we can.
All right, drifting every turn we take in the hood. With the new Wrapped SRT AJ Orange Edition, Pumpkin Edition, Ice Spice Edition, whatever you want to call it, with 1,000 horsepower.
Lights in the inside.
Yeah.
God.
Yeah. And you know we got stars in there too now. No. Now it smell like shit. Cause my boy just stepped in some shit.
Hey,
And now my car stank. So we getting that detail tomorrow.
that man got the
Ah.
package. This I call this the package, man. The SRT
Hey,
AJ package.
so if a girl was in here, what you think she feeling right now?
It's wet.
Hey, from what?
I ain't gonna say.
Hey, chat. Stay tuned for the next video, man. I have to get all the guys' reaction, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all made this for the video, man. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Tryna stab us, got inches in my chopper. We pulling off, it's I'm too fast. If I'm listening, it's a chopper.
Hey, from what?